Hi, welcome to Dissolve Chemistry. So today in this video, we are going to discuss what is Mission 70 for PU second year, those who are going for examination of Karnataka State PU board examination. Okay, so be an average student or you are an intelligent student, be whatever you are. Okay, so if you plan properly, you can score 70 out of 70 marks in the upcoming board examination in March 2024. Okay, so there is a good news already. You know that one the from the previous syllabus, 6 units are being removed, and only 10 units are you are supposed to study. And those 10 units, if you study properly by proper planning, so then definitely you can score 70 out of 70 marks, even though you are an average student. Okay, so what you have to do for that, I will give an ideas. And apart from that, till your examination, our Dissolve Chemistry will be with you to support you to score 70 marks. Okay, let me tell you the general instructions which are being given to the question paper setter. The first important thing is the question paper should not have any ambiguity. Okay, the question should be framed very clear and which should be to the point and understandable, and you can write the answer. First point. Second important point is that the problems or numerical problems what they will give, so all that has to be given as such. It should not involve any tables, charts. Okay, so numerical values in the charts and tables, that it should not comprise. And your question paper will not be questions will not be appearing on the items which are given in the NCERT book in a yellow box, we can say. Okay, you will not get questions, right? So what the flow is there, in that flow only they have to choose the questions, right? Then another thing is that the questions strictly it should be from the NCERT book, and no question will come from out of syllabus, that you should make sure. Okay, so there is no question of the question appearing from outside the syllabus. Okay, so that you should be clear. And another important thing is a particular question number is fixed for a particular chapter, and the question will be definitely from that particular chapter. I will tell you while discussing the question paper. Okay, so now the next important thing is you will be having MCQs. For that MCQs and fill in the blanks, you have fill in the blanks. Of course, you can do, because already what to be filled, it is being given along with the question. So therefore, you can do that also, right? So first, we will see that how the marks are distributed in the question paper. Then we will talk about the weightage of different chapters, and how to select the topics. Okay, and we can manage to score the 70 marks, that we will discuss lastly. Okay, right. Let us start with the blueprint what says for 2024 March examination. It comprises part A, part B, part C, part D, and part E. So first part A will be having two questions, main questions. That is part one. One question will be MCQs carrying 15 marks. Okay, each question will carry 1 mark, and make sure that there is no choice here. Okay, all questions are compulsory questions. 15 questions will appear, and next will be your fill in the blanks, and it is very easy that you can do that one. Okay, so fill in the blanks, 5 are there, and they will give 6 options along with the question. So therefore, you can easily identify. If you identify 2, 3, another 2 you can make out from that only. Okay. And with respect to the MCQs, already we know that one in all the colleges. So you are being preparing for NEET examination, though already some have appeared for JEE examination. So for them, I think there is no problem with MCQs, but only purely those who are preparing for board examination, still they are waiting for to give CET examination. Of course, you are exposed to many MCQs from all the chapters. So therefore, there is no need to worry for them also. But even then, for that 15 marks compulsory, you don't want to lose, means I will tell you lastly. Okay, so what you have to do for these MCQs, right? The next is part B. You will be having short answers, means 2 mark questions will be there, and you will be given with 6 questions. From which unit it will appear, I will tell you chapter wise weightage. Okay, so here 6 questions they are giving and you are supposed to write only 3 questions. Means 50% you will be having choices. 50-50. Okay. So therefore, it is very easy to attempt this particular part. Okay, when you study selectively. Then part C comprises again two important bits. So why they have done the two important bits? Because they have categorized inorganic chemistry question separate and physical chemistry separate. Okay, so inorganic chemistry, only 2 units are there. From that, you will be getting 6 questions. Okay, even if you study one unit history, you can uh, solve all the questions. That is 3 questions which you are supposed to attempt. So therefore, you can score 9 marks. It carries 9 marks, right? And fifth question, which comes, the questions will appear from physical chemistry. Already you got with 3 units. From that, you will be getting 4 questions, right? And in that, you are supposed to attain only 2 questions. Okay. So even here also by selectively, if you study, then also you can solve these questions and you will be getting 6 marks. Then last, that is part D, what we call it is exclusively for organic chemistry, and each question carries 5 marks. And please remember that there is no a single question that carries 5 marks. Always it is given as 3 plus 2. Okay, one part means the same question is divided into two, A, B. A will carry 3 means B will carry 2. Okay, so like that it is being divided, and make sure that so that 5 mark question, if it is appearing or if it is expected to arrive from a particular chapter, means definitely both the parts of the questions will be from the same chapter. Okay, there is no intermixing of the questions from different units. Okay, that ambiguity will not be allowed. It is being clearly given in the instruction part for the question paper setter. Okay, you should make sure that also. So here you will be getting 7 questions. Okay, so 5 units are there. From that, 7 questions will appear, and you are expected to write only 4 questions. Almost double choice you will be having here also. Okay, these are the only means highest marks carrying questions are there, and purely organic chemistry questions will appear in this particular part. That is part D. The next is part E. Seventh question, main question you will be having. So it is also a short answer, 3 mark questions, and all the questions will appear from physical chemistry, and all are numerical problems. Okay, how many problems are being given? Numerical questions will be there, 6 questions will be there, and you are expected to solve only 3 questions. Then, even if you study with choosing a particular unit of your favorite, so then also you can solve all the questions here also. Okay, numerical problems, 3 into 3, 9 marks you are going to get. Okay, so even if you prepare 1 or 2 units in physical chemistry, that is fine and good. You can solve the numerical problems from that. Okay, so overall your question paper will be of 115 marks, and you are expected to attempt 70 marks. Means almost double choice you have. Only the choiceless question you will be finding part A, where you won't find single choice. Okay, you are expected to attend all the questions. Okay, so 15 MCQs, 15 fill in the blanks. I hope you have understood what is the blow up of the question paper, right? Then next we will see the distribution of marks unit wise, and after that how you should select a particular topic that you can score 70 out of 70 marks. Okay, so let us start with that. So already I have said earlier it is 16 units. Now it has been reduced to 10 units. Okay, and among those 10 units, you will be having 2 units in physical, 3 units in physical chemistry, 2 from inorganic, and rest 5 units in the organic chemistry. Okay. So first we will talk about solutions. In physical chemistry, 3 units are there. As if you want to, you have short time and you don't want to study all the chapters. Okay, so then you can choose any 2 of these, which is of your favorite. Okay, either you choose solution electrochemistry, or you can choose electrochemistry chemical kinetics, or you can choose solution and chemical kinetics, but you have to study 2 units compulsory. Okay, so I hope chemical kinetics you will be having numericals, very easy numericals you find. Even solutions also I will tell you that numericals are very easy. Anyhow, I am going to solve those questions. Okay, 20 numerical problems from the previous year question paper and knew what we expect, because earlier only one numerical problem used to appear from solutions. Now we are getting two numerical problems from that. One, always it used to appear from the colligative properties. Now another question may come from Raoult's law, or maybe Henry's law, or maybe your concentration of the solutions what we express. Okay, that we will study separately in the particular unit. Okay, so now these solutions. So you will be having two 1 mark questions. Already I have told you, for to solve MCQ, I will give hint at the last. Okay. So in that 1 mark questions, you will be having two questions will be there. Okay. One will be applied question. One will be remembering type question will appear from this. Okay. So and one 2 mark question will be there. Okay. So I believe that if you study solution and chemical kinetics, it will be better, because you can solve even 2 mark questions also. Okay. So in electrochemistry, there is no 2 mark question. Now, one question will be theory part, 3 mark question, and two will be numerical problems. No 5 mark questions in inorganic and physical chemistry. Only organic will have 5 mark questions. Okay. Two numerical problems easily you can solve, and one theory question means 9 marks will cover here, and 2 mark question will be there. So that will be a very easy question will be there, and you can do that also. And 1 mark anyhow, I'm going to tell you what you have to do with that. Then next is highest weightage carrying chapter, that is electrochemistry. 14 marks are there. So in that 1 mark questions will be two theory and two numerical problems you will get. 2 into 3 means 6, 6 plus 6, 12, plus 2, 14 marks. Okay. So 3 of each carrying marks, 2 questions of theory and 2 questions will be numerical problems. Here you will be seeing theory questions means like electrode construction and working of the single electrode. You may get like hydrogen electrode or any metal electrode. So like that you may appear, or Daniel cell they may ask. Okay. So they may ask about Kaldra's law. Okay. So like theory questions, 2 will appear. Okay. And then based on fuel cells, batteries. Okay. So many bits are there in that electrochemistry. Anyhow, we will study individually that one. Okay. And 2 numerical problems, particularly numerical problems will be an electrolytic conductance. One problem will be there, and another problem will appear from the reduction potential. Okay. So like the 2 numerical problems will appear from electrochemistry. That also you can make your choice, that if you are favorite topic, if it is there. Okay. The next is chemical kinetics, third unit. So it also carries 13, almost same weightage we can say. So if you look into weightage and if you calculate, so you will be what? It is not possible to get that one. So only thing is with choice, these numbers are being given. Okay. So but if you choose a particular units and you can study, then also you can go for mission 70 to achieve. Okay. So then next is inorganic chemical kinetics. 13 marks are there. 1 mark 2 questions and 2 mark 1 question, 1 theory, 2 numerical problems. Same what you call distribution of the marks as that of your solutions. So 2 numerical problems, of course, you will be getting on order of the reaction. Okay. And then you may get on the Arrhenius equation, and another one will be on the rate determination, order, or half-life period. So like that, based on that, you will be getting questions, and very easy problems will be given. Not tough like you are in JEE examination or NEET examination. It will be average type of questions will be there in the board examination. Okay. And 1 theory question will appear. Then next is D and F block elements, inorganic chemistry. This is physical 3 units. Then inorganic are 2 are the D and F block and coordination chemistry. So D and F block is 11 marks, and your coordination chemistry carries 12 mark weightage. Okay. Even here also you can choose any 1 unit, and then also you can solve the questions, because you are getting 3 mark questions, 3 each from each chapter. Okay. 3 each, both D and F and coordination chemistry. So therefore, of course, you can solve if you study only 1 unit. So better if you do with coordination chemistry, it will be for easy for you, because you are getting 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 1 question, and 3 marks for theory questions will be there. 3 questions from theory. So 9 marks here it will cover, 2 plus 1. Okay. So it will be 12 marks, right? This is all about a D and F block. of course, here you must study one unit to achieve your mission 70. Okay, apart from 1 mark, I'm saying. Then next is your important bit, that is having 5 units, almost 50% weightage we can see here. So you will be having 5 units. Okay. So in that first 3 units, if you study, so then it will be easy for you to achieve a mission 70, we can say. Okay. All the three are very important and carry highest weightage, like 9 plus 12 plus 40. Okay. So haloalkenes and haloarenes, if you go, so you will be having one 5 mark question, one 2 mark, and two will be from 1 mark questions. Right. Similarly, alcohols, phenols, ethers. Generally, what type of questions they will ask? Generally, they will ask regarding uh, chemical properties or methods of synthesis, and any synthesis or chemical property with named reaction that will be asked. Okay, and mechanism, reaction mechanism, particularly in halogens, haloarenes, there will be one question on SN1 and SN2 mechanism. Okay, anyhow, we will discuss that separately. So where we are only, I'm doing the videos focusing with your board examination, where I will revise for 1 hour. Okay, and then we will solve some important questions, right? So anyway, we will see that one. Next is alcohols and phenols. It carries again 12 marks. So 1 mark questions will be 2 and 5 mark questions will be 2. So therefore, overall, it is having 12 marks. Similarly, aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acid, this is two large chapter, we can say. So it carries 14 marks as an weightage, and you will be getting one 2 mark question, and 5 into 5 means 2 questions carrying 10 marks you will be having, and 2 1 mark questions. And last one is amines and biomolecules. If possible, you can go with this. At least for 1 mark, you have to study these 2 units, right? So 8 marks for amines and biomolecules, 9 marks are there. So therefore, you make sure for 1 mark you have to study these units. Okay. So as already I have told you, in long answers, 7 questions will appear, and you are expected to solve only 4 questions to score 20 marks. So therefore, even if you study first 3 units, okay, so then easily you can solve the 4 questions and you can score 20 marks. Okay, so this is all about, you will be getting 150 marks questions, and you are expected to solve 70 marks easily. And I tell you, I will bet you that if you study as accordingly, okay, with well plan, so you will solve the questions in within 2 hours. Okay, so like that you can do that one. And another important thing is that you can choose and study. Okay, so for to solve long answer questions, like your 3 marks, 2 marks, and 4 marks question, 5 marks questions, right? But when it comes to 1 mark question, what to do? Already I told you, I will tell you in the last. See here, for to solve these MCQs, of course, already I believe that all are undergoing entrance preparations. Okay, so if you are very rigorous with those entrance preparation, so then very easily you can solve these questions. Okay, and you cannot choose the units, right? So then you are saying, if you choose and if you study less units, you can score that 70 marks. Yes, you can do that. For this MCQs, only thing is, just you go line by line your textbook. Okay, you should not leave single line, and no need to practice. Just you read the whole textbook. Okay, once you glance it and leave it, anyhow you will be given with the choice. You can memorize and you can solve the questions. Okay, so therefore for MCQs, my suggestion is that you should go from line 1 to last line of each unit, because there may be applied questions will be there. Okay, but already I have told you the condition that the question must appear from the NCERT book. Somewhere it should be there in that book. So therefore, there is no question of out of syllabus question. So therefore, one line by line, if you study, this 15 marks are reverse. Okay, why I am saying? Because there is no choice here. I cannot tell you that you study that chapter, you leave this unit. So it's not like that, because our mission is 70. Okay, Once you study throughout your textbook, then you go with choosing a particular units. In physical chemistry, you can study 2 units. In inorganic, you can study 1 unit. 2 plus 1, 3, and here 3 units. Okay, 3 plus 3, 6 units if you study. So then it is very easy to solve 2 mark questions, 3 mark questions, and 5 mark questions. Okay, so and for only 1 mark, no need to choose any chapter. You go through from line 1, from unit 1 to last line of the unit 10. Okay, only once you get. Okay, so that is how if you study, so then definitely you can score 70 out of 70, even though you are an average student. The next important point is, from our side, my channel will give you uh, the complete review of all the units. Okay, because I am not choosing the units, so I will be solving all the 10 units, right? So 1 hour complete revision on the particular unit will be there, and followed by that, if it is having numerical problems, previous year numerical problems, and new edition if it is there, so I will take few problems from that also, and we will solve those problems in one video. And then we will do MCQs, at least 10 or 20, 25 MCQs from each chapter, most probable questions. Okay, so that we will do, means for each chapter we will be having 3 to 4 videos, and if you watch that, that will be more than enough for to revise the units, to solve 2 marks, 3 marks, and 5 marks question. Okay, and be with our channel till the completion of your examination, and let us achieve the mission 70. Okay, so thank you for watching, and don't forget that in every day, means I'm going to upload the videos of particular units. Okay, so you will be having what, 1 hour, in and around 1 hour revision for a particular unit, and followed by that it will be, if it carries numerical problems, 10 to 20 numerical problems we will solve, and followed by that 20-25 MCQs we will do on that particular unit. Okay, 3 videos from each chapter. If you watch 30 videos, so then your 70 will be yours. Okay, thank you for watching, and please inform to your friends to watch, and let us make everyone to score 70 marks. Thank you for watching.